Welcome to the magical archipelago of Zanzibar, the legendary spice island of the Indian Ocean. Today, we begin our three-part journey in the heart of the island, the historic Stone Town. Stone Town is a living maze where every alleyway tells a story of African, Arab, and Indian heritage. As we walk through these narrow coral stone streets, the atmosphere of centuries past is everywhere. Look closely at these intricately carved doors. They are the true signatures of Zanzibari craftsmanship. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Indian-style doors feature brass studs, while Arab-style doors are adorned with beautiful calligraphy. Standing tall is the House of Wonders, the first building in East Africa to have an elevator and electricity. It served as a grand ceremonial palace for the sultans, symbolizing the island's former commercial power. Next to it lies the Old Fort, built in 1699 to protect the town from Portuguese invaders. Today, its ancient walls house a cultural center and an open-air amphitheater for local arts. Let's stop at Jaws Corner, a famous plaza where locals gather for politics and strong black coffee. It's the perfect place to soak in the local vibe and watch the world go by at a slower pace. Did you know that Freddie Mercury was born here? This museum honors his legacy as Zanzibar's famous son. His childhood home is a must-see for music fans visiting this historic quarter. But Stone Town also holds a somber history. This cathedral stands where the world's last open slave market once operated. The Memory for the Slaves monument serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. The altar of the church is placed exactly where the whipping tree once stood, a site of deep reflection. Moving towards the Darajani market, the air fills with the scents of cloves, cinnamon, and fresh produce. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. This is the true pulse of the city where tradition meets the daily hustle and bustle of local life. As we reach the seafront, the Foradhani Gardens offer a beautiful view of the Indian Ocean. Watch the traditional dhows glide across the turquoise water just as they have for generations. The golden hour in Stone Town is simply unmatched, bathing the coral stone in a warm, ethereal glow. Local divers often leap from the stone seawall, adding a splash of energy to the tranquil sunset. Zanzibar is more than just a destination. It's a sensory experience that stays with you forever. This concludes our first look at the architectural and historical wonders of Stone Town. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of one of Africa's most iconic heritage sites. In part 2, we'll head into the lush interior to explore the famous spice farms and markets. Don't miss it. See you in the next part of our Zanzibar series. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.